Hello, this is my first video. I don't actually speak like that, so you know, whatever. I'm sick, so whatever. This is my first YouTube video. She didn't say anything, okay? Blue says hi, Mom. If her mom actually watches Animal Jam videos, then oh, the ice cream truck just went by. I already have ice cream. Do you play Wolf? I used to like Chicken Smoothie until someone like hacked my account or something. I don't know, but I lost a bunch of stuff. Oh, sorry, I was on Kangaroo's channel. Don't judge. This is my dead Morton. Oh, by the way, my username is HitSole3. Wait. Oh, okay. I thought she debuted me because she was on like 2 seconds ago. She already left. Well, whatever. Oh, Sammy's on. I mean, Sam, Lucy. Whatever. Who even is friend 110-782-7483? I don't know her. Well, I don't know where she went. I'm back, guys, and I just had to blow my nose, and I don't think you guys wanted to hear that. I don't know where she went. Okay. She named this fish Nemo. When she first made this, I was like, "Oh, Nemo." And she was like, "Oh, that wasn't meant to be." Well, because she named it, but like I was like, "Oh, that's." I can't see what you're saying. Nemo. I want that. Sorry, whenever I type, my keyboard wobbles. So I'm gonna move it up here. Never mind. So this is my first photo. This is my first photo I've ever taken in my life. Okay. Well, this is pretty much gonna be the ending of my first video because I don't know what to do with it. I did have an adventure video, but I deleted it because it just got weird. So yeah. my knuckles. Yeah, she's a bird. Sorry, I was texting my friend. So I'm gonna stop filming now. If you guys want more videos from me, they won't be as boring. I just didn't know what to do with this video. My Instagram and stuff like that will be down below in the description and stuff. So yeah, see you guys some other day. Bye.